Hey guys, Queen of Hearts here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this new LED ring light that I found on Amazon for under $100. So stay tuned, keep watching. This is my first time opening this package. So it looks like this. So just to let y'all know, I had a 18-inch ring light before. It broke, I think because I dropped it like a number of times. But anyways, I got this really small one. I think it's downstairs, but I had ordered this really small one from Amazon for like $40. Hated it, so I decided to get another 18-inch. And yeah, let's open it. So the name of this is Limo or Limo, however you want to pronounce it. It's L-I-M-O Studio LED ring light, 18-inch diameter, and it comes with a tripod stand, angle adjusting camera holding plate, cell phone holding clip, color filter, fabric cover, facial beauty photo shooting. So it comes with all of those things. And does it say how much I paid total for this? Hold on, let me find out how much I paid in total for this. And like I said, I will list the link to this ring light in the description box. So I paid $88.91. That's before taxes. The ring light itself was $82.90. So my first ring light, it was a Neewer ring light, Neewer. I know you guys have probably heard a lot about that here on YouTube, but I paid over $100 for that, and it came with as many pieces as these did. So to find this 18-inch ring light for less the price, and that comes with the same amount of stuff, I was like, check out. Alright, so it comes in this black casing. It says Pro Photography, and I'll take the small things out first so you guys can see. Okay, so this thing here is tripod camera mounting head. Okay. Hopefully it's not too hard to work. I probably will need to use that with this tripod. And here goes a little screw that you insert into the bottom of the camera and onto the tripod. Okay, yeah. This is the cell phone holder. And you just put your cell phone in here and it adjusts. So it widens to fit your, where's my phone? Let's try it. So I have the 11, and let's see how I put it on here. Okay, let's see if it'll fit. So you can do it two ways. You can do it like this, like that. It fits that way. And let's see if it'll fit the long way. No, I actually think this is the only way to put it. So yeah. Okay, so in this tall white box is probably the tripod. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This looks way more sturdy than my Neewer ring light tripod. I loosened this and it's causing these legs to come down. I need to loosen it some more so they can go the other way. So I'm just pushing this down and the legs are now in the correct position. Oops. All right, so I'm gonna tighten this. Okay, so that's tightened. I'm gonna put it down on the floor so we can put it together. Okay, it's standing up. So I'll show you guys how to adjust it. And I think it's this one here. So it goes, oh, so it's not, it ain't one level, it's two. It's still going up. This thing is really tall. So here's the base. First of all, it has long base legs. This thing is tall. This could be really good for a try-on hauls, which I think I'm gonna film next. But I'm gonna put this down so you guys can see. And I'm gonna tighten it. So I unscrewed this little black part off of this silver head right here. And I put this cell phone holder on it. You can see where it can be, screwed. So I'm going to screw this on here, and obviously I record with my camera, but let's say I wanted to go like live on Instagram or Facebook, I could use this this holder, the cell phone holder, and you just stick it in there like that. All right, so now I'm going to open the ring light. And I love the fact that this comes with filters. My old ring light did not. So that means that you can just change the brightness of it and like the modes to like a warmer feel or a real rich LED. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there. Okay, so here's the actual ring light. 18 inches. On the back it has knobs where you can change the color temperature. It goes from 2700K to 6500K. And you can turn up and down the brightness. So that's that. And let's see what's in this box here. It's the plug. There's an insert in the bottom of the ring light there. So I'm gonna plug this into there. You know what, let's actually see what it does off the stand. Ooh, that's bright. Oh my gosh, this is super bright. And you can see how it looks. Oh my gosh. This is crazy bright. And I'm gonna turn it, I'm gonna adjust it when I find the knobs. Okay. Okay, so this is the mode changer. Get closer so you can see. So this is more warm. You see how the color changes to a more like orangish, yellowish color. And this is more bright LED. Cool. All right, let's try this other knob, this temperature. Oh no, this is the brightness. So this is for you to dim. That's off without the ring light, and this is on, and I keep going up in brightness. And that's the highest brightness. Down. And I'll turn it back all the way up and show you the mode again. Cool. So let's actually put this onto the tripod stand. Okay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing and assembling this brand new ring light. As I said earlier, I will leave the link to this ring light in the description box below. So if you have not already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave down in the comments if you like these type of videos and what videos you'd like for me to do in the future. And until next time, bye guys.